This diagram is of a chloroplast. Firstly, this is the inner membrane, and this is known as the outer membrane. A single one of these is named as a thylakoid. The tiny dots are ribosomes. The purple dots are known as starch granule. This is known as a lamella. This over here is several thylakoids, which is known as a granum stack. And this over here, lastly,
There
is
are
a
two
stroma.
reactions in photosynthesis. First, light and water enters the chloroplast, and first it undergoes the light-dependent reactions to produce oxygen as well as ATP and NADPH. And then these undergo reactions. They undergo reactions with carbon dioxide in the light-independent reactions to produce sugar. There are two types of photophosphorylation, non-cyclic and cyclic. So first we'll start with non-cyclic. So the sun excites the H2O molecules to produce one electron, and the electron passes through photosystem 2, and then after that it goes into the ETC, or the electron transport chain, in order to produce ATP. And then the electron goes through photosystem 1 in order to produce NADPH. Now this is cyclic photophosphorylation. So the same thing happens here, where the sun excites H2O to produce an electron, and then the electron goes through photosystem 2, and then it also undergoes the electron transport chain. It also goes in the photosystem 2. However, instead of producing NADPH, it goes back into the electron transport chain to produce more ATP. So then there will be less or even no NADPH.
This is the cyclocoid membrane. As the electron released from the chlorophyll cycles through the electron transport chains located on the cyclocoid membrane, they lose energy. This free energy is used to pump hydrogen ions from the stroma into the cyclocoid. The buildup of the protons inside the cyclocoid creates an electrochemical gradient, or proton motive force. The H ions return to the stroma via the transmembrane enzyme ATP synthase, which uses a potential energy from the proton motive force to convert ADP and an inorganic phosphate, PI, into ATP. This process is called chemosynthesis.
It's called chemiosis.
Oh my god,